Don't believe meditation is just passive acceptance. Passively accepting things is one component of the Buddhist path. It's called equanimity, and it plays a very important role. But meditation is not meant to be just a passive acceptance of the way things are. There are two words in the Buddhist text that we generally call meditation. There is bhavana, which can be translated as development or cultivation. And then there is kamathana, which means the work at hand. So meditation is actually a very proactive activity. It's a type of karma. In the West, we generally use the word karma to mean the negative consequences of immoral actions. But karma, or kama, is actually the actions themselves. Karma is kind of like an act of free will. So meditation is effort. It's not just being an observer. Observing things is important, but so too is actively doing things. But what are those things? Well, there are many things you should be doing. One thing is relaxing. People are right to acknowledge that meditation is very different from relaxation exercises. Relaxation, after all, doesn't lead to deep states of ecstasy. But what many Buddhists don't realize is that you are supposed to actively work on relaxing your breath as part of the meditation process. You are supposed to actively change your emotions. For example, you aren't supposed to simply accept anger, hatred, jealousy, and other toxic emotions. You want to conjure up more virtuous emotions, such as love and goodwill. Meditation is a cultivation process. You are trying to cleanse yourself of bad mental states and embrace positive, nourishing ones. You want to feed off of virtue instead of negativity or toxicity. Don't let me mislead you. There are times when passively observing things is very appropriate. This is important if your mind is overstimulated. And observing the breath as it is a good skill to develop. But you are also supposed to change the breath in such a way that it becomes more pleasurable and moves smoothly throughout your body. These are some examples of how meditation is not just a passive acceptance of the status quo.